This is Estwing I-beam pry bar with a rocking head. It is 18-inch long. So this is a very good tool, and it's made in USA, looks good, and it's very strong. And you know, it's because it's I-beam handle, so the handle is very easy to grab. So you grab the handle, it's very comfortable. And the major thing I use in it is for the heavy prying. So what I mean by the heavy prying is when you prying like 2x4s, 2x6, like when you repair the decks, the wood is heavier and lots of nails and lots of screws. So for this part, I grab the nail or screw and you can just pry. It's very easy to work on. And another thing is that here is ready to use the hammer. You see here, I've been hammering it lots of times, but still holding up, no problem at all. So you can just hammer it and grab the nail and just start to pull. I pull 3 inches nails, no problem at all. Sometimes I use it to pull the screws. And here it's still very strong. You see how thick it is. Usually if I want to pry the decks, just goes in like this and start to pull. When the deck wood is already coming up, I'm using this part to pry the wood. So it helped me a lot. I've been demolate a lot of decks. This tool is a must-have. So anytime when you're doing heavy duty prying, you're gonna use this one. It's very easy to use, give you lots of leverage, and very easy to hold. I like this one. Highly recommend it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.